Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PrizePicks Withdrawal Failed or not working. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So some of the common reasons for withdrawal failures: unmet playthrough requirements. So PrizePicks requires a 1x playthrough of all deposited funds before they can be withdrawn. For example, if you deposit $25, you must play and play through $25 worth of lineups using credit funds, not promo funds, before initiating a withdrawal. Also, incorrect payment methods. So withdrawals can only be made to payment methods you previously used for deposits. Methods like Apple Pay, credit cards, and Discover debit cards are restricted to deposit only and cannot be used for withdrawals. And also, they got a minimum withdrawal amount of $10, so requests below this threshold would fail as well. Also, frequent withdrawal requests. Only one successful withdrawal is permitted within a 24-hour period. So this is one that gets a lot of people stuck. So attempting to do more than one withdrawal in that 24-hour window will result in failures. So ensure you met the 1x playthrough requirement using credit funds. Check your account to confirm that all deposit funds have been waged accordingly. Double check that payment methods you're attempting to withdraw was used for previous deposits. If not, select an eligible method. And also make sure you got the minimum amount of $10 when requesting payouts and just adjust the amount if necessary.